Check of the forecast. Let's bring in our meteorologist, Ross Hall, with that. Hey, Ross.
Hi, Anthony. Happy Canada Day to everyone. And yes, it is the evening for fireworks, certainly. If you're heading to Ashbridges Bay in the Toronto area, clear skies expected, pleasant weather conditions, 23 degrees, a northwest wind at 10 to 15 kilometers per hour. And in fact, across much of the province, that potential for showers and thunderstorms will start to ease after early this evening across eastern Ontario. No places like Port Perry, Cobourg have seen a shower or thunderstorm pop up today. You can see that here around the Ottawa Valley, around Ottawa. Early this evening, the chance of a shower or thunderstorm, but we'll get into more of a stable air mass as we move through this evening, which is some good news for the fireworks. Winds have been out of the northwest, or they are out of the northwest, after the passage of a front that moved through. That brought us some of the cloud cover and instability today, but it really hasn't cooled things down very much. We're still into the mid to high 20s, low 30s out there in terms of temperatures, and the humidex has been around the mid-30s, and that will be the case once again tomorrow for many areas. Tonight, down to 17 degrees with clear skies in Toronto. Early evening shower or thunderstorm possible in Ottawa. That will clear out. 14 in London. Coming up, I'll let you know what to expect for the first week of July and your full forecast just ahead.
Ross, thank you so much. Now, it's been a dramatic And welcome back. Let's talk about the weather this Canada Day for the rest of the night and for the rest of the week.
Yes.
Ross Hall joins us.
It's a hot start to July, certainly,
question.
Anthony. That's going to continue this week. Of course, Canada Day fireworks happening this evening. What can you expect in terms of your forecast conditions then and also tomorrow? Let's take a look. So expect temperatures around the GTA and much of southern Ontario to be back into the high 20s, low 30s as a daytime high. We'll see sunshine turning to a sun cloud mix into the afternoon. Slight chance for a scattered shower or thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon, but this won't be a long-lasting event, and not all areas will see it. The humidex will be around the mid-30s, so it starts to get uncomfortable when that humidex reaches 35 or higher, so keep that in mind for your daytime plans or your plans through the day tomorrow. Maybe you've taken the day after Canada Day off. As we look across this magnificent country on this Canada Day, yeah, mid-20s in Vancouver, high 20s in Calgary, so some heat building across the west, and we've been into some warm conditions across the east. Now, what we're also into is a ridge of high pressure that's circulating in that warmth, but around the periphery of that ridge, there are some showers and thunderstorms, and we've had some fronts push through. And we did have one move through this afternoon. It's provided some scattered showers and thunderstorms over portions of eastern Ontario, south of Peterborough for the most part, but a lot of this activity is going to be easing as we move through this evening. So if you have plans to head out to, for instance, Ashbridges Bay in Toronto, or other fireworks happening around the area, around southern Ontario, the Ottawa area, should be clear and dry for those. And you can see our Futurecast model picking up on that quite nicely. Now into tomorrow, we'll start off with some sunshine. There is the possibility of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm. Portions of eastern Ontario, southwestern Ontario, even the GTA, it is possible. But as I mentioned, not expecting anything significant. Now, the reason why there is that potential is a front that pushes through come Wednesday evening into early Thursday. That will cool things down a little bit on Thursday, so it won't be quite as humid. And then we'll get another surface ridge building Friday, Saturday, Sunday into the weekend, and things will start to heat up again and start to get a little more uncomfortable when it comes to the humidex values. Tonight, we're down to 17 in Toronto, 14 in London. As we look at your temperatures now for tomorrow, once again into the high 20s, low 30s for many spots. And look at some other communities matching those levels in terms of the temperatures. Peterborough up to 29, Belleville up to 29 as well. Here's a look now at the next 7 days and how things play out. We're up to near 30 tomorrow. A little cooler Thursday and Friday, then things heat back up this weekend. 31 on Saturday, feeling closer to the mid to high 30s or even low 40s when it comes to the humidex. Late day showers and thunderstorms on Sunday, and then we are a little cooler to start the week. Your dog walking forecast. Tilly in Belleville wants to wish you a happy Canada Day. A look at tomorrow morning. Sunshine and quickly warming up to the mid-20s. And that's a look at your forecast.
And that's it for us for forecast. Let's bring in our meteorologist, Ross Hall, with that. Hey, Ross.
Hi, Anthony. Well, hope everyone had a great Canada Day. In terms of the weather, certainly cooperated this evening. We did experience some cloud cover. Some areas experienced showers and thunderstorms, especially through portions of eastern Ontario throughout the day, northern Durham, areas just east of the GTA as well. We saw a strong storm pop up, a tornado-warned storm north of Kapuskasing through northern Ontario. Still some activity in that part of the province, but showers and thunderstorms for the most part exiting eastern Ontario as we move through the overnight. The Ottawa area has been clear for the fireworks, and same situation as you headed west in towards the GTA and much of southern Ontario. So a pleasant evening, still going to be relatively warm, nothing overly uncomfortable, but it will be another hot and humid day tomorrow. A northwesterly wind currently around the Toronto area, so after some of the showers and thunderstorms cleared and some of that cloud cover, a bit of a fresher air mass certainly, but still warm. As you can see, temperatures reaching the high 20s, low 30s. Now, in terms of the temperatures out there this evening, we are going to be dropping down to the high teens around the GTA. And the humidex values, well, they were into the 30s, certainly, near the mid-30s today. And, well, early this evening anyway, we're still in the high 20s. Temperatures overnight tonight will drop down to near 17 to 19 degrees around Toronto, mid-teens in London, 17 in Ottawa, and near 17 in North Bay. Coming up, I'll let you know, well, just how hot it will get over these next few days, the beginning of July, heading into the weekend. Your full forecast is just ahead.
Ross, thank you so much. York Regional Police are investigating after a robbery at a mobile phone store in Richmond Hill. And you know what that means? Let's talk about the forecast. Our meteorologist Ross Hall joins us now. So if you like the warm weather, today was perfect.
Yeah, it was a hot Canada Day. Another Canada Day behind us. Now we move into Wednesday. Maybe some of you still have the day off, and the heat will continue. We'll talk about how long that will last coming up, but let's take a look at tomorrow first. So a hot one tomorrow with temperatures surging to the high 20s, low 30s, a west wind. The humidex will have it feeling closer to the mid-30s. We start off in the high teens tomorrow morning, but then temperatures by the afternoon will quickly surge to this level, near 29, 30 degrees. There is the chance of a scattered afternoon shower or thunderstorm, but I think most areas should stay dry tomorrow, as was the case today, really. Eastern Ontario, northern Ontario got into some more widespread shower and thunderstorm activity. Looking at temperatures across the country on this Canada Day, well, hot conditions through the BC interior, Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, all the way east towards Ontario, Quebec. Some warmth and humidity across the Maritimes as well. Now, the jet stream is showing a ridge in the west. We still have some warmth and humidity over the Great Lakes. That's being pumped in from the southeast U.S., but we're also right along the storm track here, and that will bring the potential at times for showers and thunderstorms as fronts swing through. We had one front swing through today. It brought some cloud cover. It's brought some scattered showers and thunderstorms. At times, that's exiting eastern Ontario. We saw some strong storms over far northern Ontario as well. Heading into tomorrow, though, we start off with some sunshine, then once again into the afternoon, see the scattered nature of those showers and thunderstorms, northern eastern Ontario, even portions of southwestern Ontario. But again, this is not widespread. I think many areas will stay dry. And then a front drapes across the area come Wednesday night into Thursday. That brings a chance of a few scattered showers. That will also usher in a cooler air mass. So Thursday will be cooler, Friday as well. Humidex values will be a little more comfortable. Then we'll heat back up as we head into the weekend. So tomorrow, high 20s, low 30s for many spots. And taking a look at temperatures and conditions around the Golden Horseshoe, you can see that temperature certainly around the high 20s, low 30s for many areas. Okay, so tomorrow up to near 30 for parts of the GTA. Slight chance of an afternoon shower. Early Thursday could be a scattered shower, but notice our daytime highs a little cooler, still warm, but just not as warm and humid as it will be on Wednesday. And then temperatures ramp back up. 32 on Saturday. The humidex will be getting to near uncomfortable levels, likely near 40 on Saturday and Sunday. We'll have to watch out for some late day showers and thunderstorms Sunday, and then things do cool down a little bit. We're back down to the high 20s into early next week. And let's look at your forecast.